What's going on, everyone? Unfortunately, it's already 11:11 p.m. Here's just a quick look. Today we're gonna do an unboxing of some Bartolone drag pipes, and I want to give you guys a little update, show what's going on. I've been wrenching a little bit over there with my boy Oreo, chilling. But just a quick look of what's going on so far. Check out my nice American flag wrap on my chassis and my Losi 5T. Alright, I gotta powder coat these black one of these days. But anyways, no longer have my drag Baja here. I can't wait to run this, man. I'm craving to run this. I just want to brap it, you know. I want to see how it improved with the light and flywheel, the carburetor, you know. I just want to run it. I just want to have fun. I just want to brap it. Alright. My dragster is still the same way. I haven't done nothing yet. But I just want to show my drag Baja one last time, because tomorrow it's going under the knife. I got a bunch of Red Cat parts that I picked up at Track Day Hobbies. I got another body, so that's my third body. I got a ton of parts here. I'm sure you guys don't want to see it. Don't want to. All right, maybe I'll do it for another day. I also got some HPI purple gaskets. All right, you guys know I use this thicker purple gaskets for my nitro, my ERCM end bleed pipe. Speaking of the end bleed pipe, guys, when you guys order your ERCM end bleed pipes or side bleeds, okay, here, let me show you. If you guys get your end bleeds, that's an end bleed. If you guys get side bleeds, that's what a side bleed. Be sure to ask for this style of exhaust. Tell Robin you want the one with the springs, not the coupler. Alright, a lot of people have been doing that mistake. See that end bleed pipe? Do not get the pipe with the freaking coupler. The coupler is what this is. Do not get this pipe here. See that? That's a coupler. I got a side bleed on here, but don't get that exhaust. Change your headers. Do not throw on a nice pipe like that. Alright, or like this, with a shit coupler with a crap header. Throw on a 41001 header or a 41032 header. Alright, or even a 41031. Alright, but I usually try to, if you're bashing, man, stay away from those. Just go 41032 or 41001. Okay, I usually like to run the 41001s with .21 engines in buggies. Yes, you can run them on truggies as well. We'll do fine. If you have a modified 28.8 or 32, you better have a 41032 header. That's what made the most power on the dyno. All right. So anyways, don't forget, get the one with the springs. Do not get a pipe. Don't order the ERCM pipe with the coupler. Don't say coupler. Do the one with the springs. All right. Supposedly Robin's been having a hard time about that. He's been booked. He's been super busy by making pipes for everyone. So give him a chance. He will get to everyone eventually. All right. When he's too busy, he will not take anyone's money. He will not take on any more orders. Once he bangs out all those pipes, he will get back to it, and then he will deal with you again. So give him some time, all right? He got mobbed. He got mobbed with a ton of work. So just let him do what he's got to do, and just hope that you can still get him. Don't wait, people. You never know. Robin may say, "Oh, forget it. I may not want to do this again starting next month." You don't know. So get your pipe. Listen. I'm not saying run your pipe right away. I'm saying get you an ERCM end bleed before you can't get him again. As simple as that. You don't know if he's going to keep making them. We don't know that. What if he gets called back into the oil patches? What are you going to do? No more ERCMs. All the guys that bought them are going to sell them for triple the price on eBay. That's what's going to happen. You know? And then how do you know? You never know if he's going to come back and do this again. So get him while you can, while he's doing it, guys. You don't have to run them. At least you have it. Put it away. Run your ERCM whenever you want. At least you have it in your collection. You understand? You run all the other pipes you have, whatever you got. You know what I'm saying? We got 9886s all day. You can go to RB Mods and get them. You can go to anywhere to pick up those. All right? And don't forget, 9853 is another good pipe. All right? Let me show you another great pipe for nitro heads. Meanwhile, this is supposed to be an unboxing of Bartolone's new drag pipes. But oh, look, 41032. Boom. That's the headers you want. Boom. All right? Why do I have so many? Because they're a must, and I love them. Would I have them if they sucked? Would I have all these if it sucked? If it didn't do nothing? No. Another good pipe, guys. 51011. Get that. Get that before Novorossy decides to discontinue it. Trust me. All right. Everything else is doing good. Let's get back over here. Look at this. We got a little guy over here getting too tired for this job. So anyways, I'm over here. I was chilling, just wrenching away. Finally wrenching and not filming. All right, I put a diff together for my Baja. All right, I'm gonna build the transmission so I can put on here. I also have the tubes. All right, I did it on here. See this? You got the tubes. All right. Otherwise, if you're like completely new to this, there's your out drives. See that? See that cut? You can get these dark soul tubes and make them strong. All right, it'll prevent your out drive cups from splitting. Okay, and here's the part number. There we go. Here's the part number. See that? Boom. All right, and if you don't have that tool, you can get there's a part number that comes with everything. Right there. There's the part number. Go over to DDM, pick them up. This comes with the tubes and the tool. All right. Here's the tool I use. I just put yellow tape on everything so I can see it. All right, see this? And you have a arbor press, or you can do it with a C-clamp. You know, this is how I do it. All right. Anyways, let's get back. Oh, I got some FG shocks here that I built. Tomorrow, my drag Baja is gonna go under the knife. I'm gonna be changing it around. This might be the last time you guys see it like this. I'm very proud of it. It did very well. It did very well with this wonderful Gizmo engine, 30.5. And listen, even if I didn't do any build, this would be the year that I would improve on this. All right. All I have to do is keep this. I could keep this engine here for the whole this season. All right. I can keep it in here. I could have just played around with the 2-speed and played around with tires. I was planning on possibly bringing this tire in more. All right. And that would make me go a little bit faster. And then I needed the gear because I was running out of gear with this. All right. And now we have gears coming. So thanks to Primal RC. Primal RC has gears coming out for the King Motor 2-speed. So, you know, so who knows what this could have had done, you know. And this is a great, very reasonable Gizmo 30.5. Well, it's coming out. All right. I was going to possibly run a different pipe. This is coming out. This pipe is coming out. We're going to put a different setup here. I don't know if I'm going to continue to use these tires. I may not. I may have to go wider. And I don't know how it's going to be. All right. I will no longer have these shock towers. I won't have these shocks. All right. It's going to go under a diet. It may not look as good as this anymore. It may, whatever. It's just going to be for function. And I seriously thought about keeping this drag Baja the way it is, and just build a new one because I have plenty of chassis that I can build from. I was actually planning on keeping this here, putting my 2-inch tires back on in the front. If you guys go back, you can see when I first built this, when I first had it out. It was on Father's Day when it first ran, and I drove it out of my garage. You can go back to that video. We're gonna change it up, start from scratch all over again. So. Who knows? I could either do worse, or I could do better, or work at getting better and better all over again. But I'm definitely going to change the setup. All right. But, yeah, man, I had really second thoughts. I should just keep it the way it is, because this was my first drag Baja I built from scratch. You guys know. the carbon fiber chassis up. I started with a carbon fiber chassis on this and built it from there. All right, you guys can go back. I showed it. You guys remember. All right, if you're new to this channel, you can go back. I have tons of videos of when I built that, how I built that, and all the parts I used. All right, like I said, I got plenty of chassis. Check it out. All right, so check it out. I got lightened chassis, beautiful lightened chassis here. Boom and boom. All right, so I think I may use this on my Baja in the future build I'm going to be doing. I can't wait to get to my Baja 5SC. I've been craving that. I've been craving on working on that, but unfortunately, I got to do my drag Baja first and then my Primal RC Dragster. I have to. All right, and then you guys know in April, I think it's going to be April-ish time. April time is when I'm going to do my big MTXL build here from scratch with all the new parts that will be coming out. So I'm very busy, but and don't get me wrong, I want to get to Nitro, but it's one thing at a time. You know what I'm saying? One thing at a time. I also have a extended chassis, Baja chassis here. All right, that I may one day do a pro mod build in the future. All right, I just don't have time. I could not have done it this year, but yeah, I got plenty of work to do. Never mind this year, but even next year, I got work for the next 2 years here. So, all right, and we got Nitro engines for the next 2 years to do. You know. All right. What do you say, huh? Let's unbox this. Let's do this. All right. I really should use an axe for this here. Let's see. Oh man, we still have to unbox that, man. That's from Tom from Pit Dog Hydro, man. We got some nice bodies there. We have to. This should have had been out already, man. I'm just behind. Right? I'm doing other things that's more priority. I'm not a guy that's home all day every day. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I work during the day, then I got side jobs to do, you know? And sometimes I stay at my job late. But lately I've been doing a lot of side work. All right, so right after work, boom, I got like another job, you understand? You know, so it's hard. I don't have time like that. But that's why I'm out here doing this shit late. What do we got? Let's see, this box came all the way from California, from Chris Bartolone himself. Let's take a look here. All right, very nice, very well wrapped, Chris. Appreciate it. All right, what do we got here? Right from Bartolone Racing. Zah! Oh snap! Happy to see me, kid. We got the drag pipe, the one and only Bartolone drag pipe, fellas. Drag pipe right here. Zah Nakafeza. All right. Me? I highly recommend this for your Primal RC dragsters and for your Bajas that are drag racing only. Don't be out there bashing with this thing. Happy to see you, all right? You know what I'm saying? Don't be over there jumping this thing over there with this pow right here, brapping away. Man, Chris did a super job. And guys, listen, this has been tested and proven on dyno. Facts. All right? That's what I like. But that's why he had to extend this. All right? I have the first one. The first one. You guys remember. Check it out. This was the test pipe. All right? This was the test pipe that I have on here. And you can see where he had to weld it again. He had to extend it. He had to make it that long. And that's what gave it the numbers. See how he had to do the header twice? Boom, and then boom. Well, now we got a special header because we requested it. All right. One day I was over here drinking some Mavam with Gary, and we were like, "Oh man," we were super happy that we had these end bleed pipes. Now, you got ERCM Nitro end bleed pipes, and then you have Bartolone end bleed pipes. All right, for the Losi 5B. But some guys run them on the Losi 5T as well. A lot of guys in California race their Losi 5T with this pipe on there, all right? The only thing you got to do is drill a hole through the side plastic, and it'll work. So, all right, supposedly it's been working for them. They've been happy with the performance. And these are the headers. This is aluminum header. World's first aluminum header pipe. All right, very cool idea, very great idea. I anodized mine blue. You get them anodized hard anodized coat from Bartolone, all right? So this is what you should stick with because it's stronger and more heavy duty and longer lasting. And I think I'm gonna keep these the way it is. They come hard anodized from Bartolone. He does that for you guys. Gary and I, we freaking acid washed it, sandblasted ours. Not us, but my friend Joe did. Just so that we can anodize it different colors. Those colors will possibly fade away. With this hard anodizer won't. All right, so it looks like we have a ton of these pipes here. Oh yeah, huh? How many? Yeah, man, look at this. All right, so I'm not gonna. There's a few friends of mine, close friends, also are gonna be running these drag pipes. Okay, the first ones to have this aluminum header style drag pipe was on Compson's twin engine Primal RC dragster. You guys remember that? I even have a video of that. But yeah, his was the first to be out there. All right, with this style header that we had requested. We really appreciate and thank Chris for doing that. You know what I'm saying? So, boom, I got 2 of them for myself. Look at these guys, happy to see me, kid. Look at this. Nasty right here. Look at this. Look at this. Nasty right there. Damn, man. Damn. Well, now I feel like I wish I had more time with this setup, and I wanted to just change exhaust on this. Throw this sucker on here and see what would happen to that Gizmo 30.5, but we're done. I got to take that setup out. I'm going to be switching setups. All right, so that's it. From here, we're going to be ceramic coating all. I think one guy may keep one pipe raw. Everyone else is going to be ceramic coating. I'm not going for looks. I'm going for ceramic coat to do its job. I want the pipe ceramic coated. As you can see, I got a ton of them here. All right, but listen, there's no way of getting this yet. All right, the next person that's going to be selling these pipe, I believe it's going to be from Primal RC. Primal RC is going to start carrying these. So I do not know if DDM is going to be carrying them. They may. I heard that Track Day Hobbies wants to have 1 or 2 in stock, but I believe Primal RC will have these in stock because they may carry these just for their Primal RC dragsters. All right. So if you guys want one for your Bajas, for your Primal RC dragsters, you're gonna have to go over to primalrc.com. All right. He's gonna have them soon, or he may have them already. All right. And that's it. So and just stay in touch. Stay in touch. All right. If you need any info or whatever, I can always help out. All right. Look at that. We got more in here, son. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Let's see. Let's count how many we got. Let's take a look what we got. Boom, kid. Now you know I'm a fan of this fucking pipe when you see 13 pipes in this bitch, right? You know I'm a fan. Super happy to see you. Bang, bang, bang. Now, stay tuned because Gary, I think, wants to have one of his pipes powder coated, not ceramic coated. Powder coated is more for looks. Okay, it's going to look beautiful, but it won't do the job of a ceramic coated pipe. All right. Another guy, Carlos. All right, Carlos. His fig trees are doing awesome, Carlos. All right. Carlos is going to be powder coating a pipe as well. I think Gary's going to do a green one. Carlos is going to do a red one. Powder coat, beautiful. It's going to look sick. But everyone else is going to be all ceramic coated, all right? I would love to chrome one, but I'm going to just ceramic coat. Because I ain't bashing with this. This is strictly just for drag racing, But, so anyway, look at that. Look at that. With drag pipes with the new aluminum headers, fellas. All right, so we got a lot of good things happening for the gas RC world, man. A lot of good things. That's it. So stay tuned. We got lots going on. I may show the ceramic coating stuff. I may show the powder coating stuff. I don't know. We'll see. I can't wait to wrench all day. That thing is going under the knife. And I will not be videoing nothing. I can't wait for that. To wrench without filming is awesome, bro. It's awesome. have fun again, you know. But anyways, you guys take care. Have a good one.